Morning, everyone. It is 11:21 Eastern Standard Time on the 26th of July, 2021. And I was not able to get in at the beginning of the morning at the open, which I usually like that first 5-minute candle. But looking back, I would have got stopped out anyway using the thresholds I use. So excuse me, I did get in a little later and took a loss, and I am down, I believe 197 or 190, yeah, 195, and I have an order in right now above this high. Um, I think it's going to go a little bit farther up. Here's the way the RSI is looking over here. The slow stochastic is right here. It's above the 50. This is above the 50 line also, and looks like the MACD, if it pops up, the MACD should turn around and go back up. But what I'm looking at is mainly the the ES right here is already popping up to its high from 9:35 this morning. Now I know they don't always mimic each other, but when they start falling in line, doing the same thing, it's kind of a good sign. So that's the way I'm playing it right now. Uh, I will still keep my 5-point stop in, and I've got a 10-point profit. I'm going to play that one by ear too. I may adjust it around a little bit, but I would just like to get my loss back if I can, but we'll see. And I'll freeze it now and then come back. All right, so it looks like the this is the ES E-mini. It's already popped its high for the day, and it looks like the NQ, which I'm in right, or which I'm trying to get in, I have an order just above this high. Looks like I might get filled here pretty quick. Everything looks like it's turning around to go up. Let's see how this, yeah, the MACD's turning up. These are all turning up. If it catches momentum, I could have a good trade for the day, but we will see here. I will come back as after I get filled, and well, it looks like I'm getting filled pretty quick. Let's just give it a second here. Go back over here and show this. Yeah, there's a lot of compression right in here. It could break that high for the day. Let's see what we're looking at. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. I will come back once I get filled. All right, folks, I just got filled, and quiet, Stella. And it looks like it's kind of strong, wants to go on up. We will, I've got my order in at a 5-point stop. So let me get over here on this chart. Makes it a little bit easier. Yeah, now a good place really I could put that is right below that low of that candle, which is 02, but I'm at 03, so I'm going to keep it where it is. If I get stopped out, I lose $100 more. So, and I will be done for the day. But it's looking kind of strong. Let me freeze this while my dog, I'll try to quiet her down for a second. All right, so this is, I'm in at 08, even. And what I'm looking at is the ES over here, looking pretty strong. It broke that high, pretty good. Now, if we need to get this one broken, it's getting back down around 08, or it's at 08 right now. There's not a lot of push through. We need to get those buyers in there and get it moving up. I kind of watch this number right here on the RSI as it gets a little stronger. And this one, the slow stochastic is it's looking pretty good. Well, I think $100 is a good bet, and I'm just going to leave it at that. I will come back and let you know what's going on when something happens here. All right, guys, it's looking kind of strong here. The NQ on this chart right here is Tastyworks, and I'm looking at the RSI right now, and everything's looking strong. I'm just going to go ahead and move my stop up to break even. It might be a little soon, but the key is to keep your manage your risk, and you just don't want to lose. So I mean, you're going to lose. That's why this whole program is. I mean, these these patterns I use work a lot of the time, but they don't work all the time. So you just got to realize you're going to take losses, and you just want to minimize those losses as much as possible. So that's just my personal opinion on all this. All this stuff is my personal opinion. I'm not giving any trading advice or anything like that. So I just hope if I can teach somebody something from what I've learned through experience. I've been doing this since the early 90s. I think it was around 1990 actually is when I got into it. So um, yeah, if I can help out that way, make you look at things just a little differently. That's all it is. And then it's up to you to do your game. So anyway, I'll come back when something else happens. But I've got my order to get out at 28.50. Uh, that will give me right around 400 bucks minus the 195 that I lost already. So if it makes it up there, I should be good, and I will come back here in a little bit. So I'm not out of the woods yet. It did come down and almost stop me out, but it came down I think around 110 and started back up. The cumulative delta is looking kind of strong right now. That doesn't mean it can't come back down and knock me out. I realize that, but I think if I break this high right here and here, it'll at least go up to 28.50. So that's what I'm kind of betting on right now. So I'm up a little. Oh no, I'm still down for the day by 40 bucks, 56 bucks, something like that. So if it can keep its momentum, and it's not doing it right now, but if it can get back up here and break above that high, I do believe I can get my profit. And over here, this line right here, I like to watch the RSI. Once all these are in place to the bull side, the MACD and the slow stochastic, all of them need to be pointing up. But this was one of what moves the fastest, the RSI. So it needs to get back up over this point right here. And I'm looking over in this table. It needs to get up around or above 62.20, and it's at 58.85 right now, 59. So that's where I'm kind of looking. It's still it could still drop on me. I know that, and I probably should take some profit to get that loss part of that loss back. But I'm just kind of hanging in there right now because of that cumulative delta right there. Still up there. Well, here it comes down maybe. I think it might whack me. So I'll let you know. So here is the 60 right here. If you look at these numbers, this thing is moving back up, and the price is up to 115 or 15, 119, 120, and that's what I was looking for it to break. Let's see over here. Yep, right over here at 21. And this is all looking good over here. Everything's still looking bullish. It could go up to 15, 150 even. I don't know. Let me turn this, get over here on the 5-minute chart. Get the comparison over here, there. Okay, it's going on up. We'll throw the number up there a little bit and see what. Yes, I'm up 360 on this trade. Probably shouldn't go up too much. Let me get back down to 30. That way I have a profit for the day. And tell you what, I'm going to move my stop up below this low of this candle that broke out, and that is 16.25. So I'll move it up just to 16. At 15.50, that's good enough. 26. Yeah, let's see what this is doing. That's got to pop that high again. This one broke that one. 27.5 is the high. And let's see. I will come back in just a little bit and let you know what's going on here. So All right, so I am up around $415 right now. I'm gonna hold up for 30. I would have already got on my original take profit. I would have already taken profit. And you know something, let's see here. Let's look over here real quick. 64.48, 38.48, 58. It's looking kind of strong. I don't want to press it too hard though. Uh, I mean, it could go on up, but that's why it's better to trade a few contracts. Let me pull it down here, someplace it's already been. Well, let's go here, 30. Yeah, let's do 30. 29.50. Here we go. Order filled. All right, so I just got filled and need 400 something. Let me show you real quick on Performance Center, so you know I'm not making stuff up here. So here's where I lost. So that last trade I made 430. I had lost 100 before. I lost 210 before. So with 460 and 210, I'm up. Well, let's see here. 250 gross profit minus the commissions was 231 for the day, and that I'm happy with that. When I was making, see, it's going on up, which I thought it would, but I went ahead and took some profit. So that was I wanted to get a profit for the day, and my first trade I was actually trading 2 contracts, and it got stopped out, so uh, I lost the 200 real quick. So I think I'm going to go back to trading the 1 contract again and just go from there until I at least pass this second phase of this combine from Top Step Trader. So anyway, that is it for the day. I'm done. I hope everybody else had a good trade or trading day. So hope you enjoyed the video. It was for entertainment purposes, or learning, I should say, learning purposes. And that's just what I do. It's a low risk way to trade, and that's what I like. So I will be back tomorrow and see where we can go from there. Have a good day.